Good morning, Indira Shah here. Today I'll be showing you making sevai. Sevai is Iyer speciality, and in Kannada it is called as Vattu Shavige. Okay, for that you need boiled rice. You can take the idli rice. You have to soak it overnight. You take the required quantity, whatever quantity your family needs. Okay, soak it overnight, and next day morning you have to grind it to a fine paste adding salt. Okay, the consistency should be of idli dough consistently. Okay, now after grinding this, you can ferment it for about 3-4 hours, because sevai gives a good taste when it has that little sour taste. Okay, now after that you make idli. Here it is. Here. Here I have made idlis. Now after making idli, you have to put it in this machine. This is called as sevanari. We call it as sevanari in Tamil. This is Vattu Shavige machine. Okay. What you need is, see, remove the idlis and put it inside this. And then keep a plate below, because when I press it, the sevai will fall below. Here. This should be pressed when the idli is hot. This is not the usual idli. Okay, I told you this is made of boiled rice. Here, my grandson loves to press this. Whenever I press this, my two little ones, they come. They love to turn this. Turn like this. Turn. Turn. No coughing here. Turn. Turn, Minku. Here. Turn. So you are making sevai?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like this sevai? What do you call this sevai as?
White noodles.
White noodles. Okay, turn now. Turn.
No, I will do.
Okay. Turn.
Tinku, you hold this side.
Turn it fast, otherwise it will become hard. See, yes, now it's over. See, the way is made. Now after this, we have to give a nice garnishing. I'll just show you. See, the sevai is done. Now once the sevai is done, now remove all the knots. It would have become a knot like. So remove the knots here. So it will be easy for garnishing. Okay. So now there are different people make different way of garnishing. My way of garnishing is this. Take a pan and add about 4 to 5 spoons of coconut oil. I am a Palgata here, so we use lots of coconut oil, and coconut oil is certainly good for health. Okay. Now once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds splutter and add turmeric. Okay, let it splutter. This is actually eaten with chutney, coconut chutney. We eat it with coconut chutney. Some people eat it with more korambu or more kutan. So I love this way to eat this with hot coconut chutney. Spicy coconut chutney goes very well with that. You can try making this. If you don't have this machine, you can use the chakli maker. But it may be quite tough to press it. But then you can always try. I bought this machine about 10-12 years before. I paid around 2,500 rupees. Now the cost would have certainly gone up. This is very sturdy. My mother had a wooden sevai maker. So the oil is hot and the mustard is fluttering. Add asafoetida, hing. Add little chana dal. Now allow the chana dal to become pink, otherwise that will stay raw. Then you cannot bite it. It will be very hard to bite. So allow the chana dal to turn pink. I am getting a very nice aroma of the coconut oil. Yes. Now you add whole red chili and curry leaves. When you add the red chili and curry leaves, be careful while adding it. And now add the tamarind, the required tamarind juice. Okay, the required tamarind juice. The required tamarind juice. Now you can check whether the salt is okay or it is less. If it is less, you can add salt here. You have to cook this till the tamarind loses its raw smell. The raw smell should go away. There are many varieties of garnishing, many way of garnishing. This is my way of garnishing. This will be very tasty, trust me. You can make this. I always make it once a week or once in 15 days. This is my mother and grandmother, they used to garnish this way. So I feel this is the best way of garnishing, the more tastier. You have to keep mixing it, otherwise the tamarind will stick to the bottom of the pan. You can also add lemon, but this gives a nice taste. The tamarind gives a nice taste. If you are now, because Gujaratis, they don't eat tamarind at all. So if you are a Gujarati and if you don't like to eat tamarind, add lemon juice. After garnishing, you can put off the gas and mix this sevai into this and add the lemon. Now here, this is done. Now put off the stove. I have put off the stove. Now you have to add the sevai. Okay? Children will love this. You can mix, coconut oil and eat the sevai. So what you do is, once this is cool, you can mix it with your hand. No, that will get mixed properly. Okay, let me mix it and show you. Here, the thorough mixing is over. Now I'll just put it in a serving bowl and show you. Here I have already garnished the sevai. I have put it in the serving bowl. This goes very well with coconut chutney. Okay, so please prepare the sevai and give me your sincere feedback. Kindly watch my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. And don't forget to press the bell button for more notification. Thank you very much again. This is Indira Shah here with Vela. Bye bye.